All right, I'm on page 13 of the packet. Looking at number 26. Whoa, what the? How am I supposed to graph this? Okay, let's review what is an x-intercept. An x-intercept is a point on the x-axis where the line crosses the x-axis. So I just go to where this is on the x-axis. Boom. 3. Done. My y-intercept is on the y-axis. -2. Boom. Done. All I need is 2 points to make a line. Boom. Done. Cool. Okay. Now let's go below number 13 here. Let's talk about inequalities. So, okay, let's look at number 29 first. People are going to be like, what the? Where is the y? Okay. So if I only know what x is, then I'm going to go to my x-axis, and I'm going to put a point on -5, because I only know what x is. So that means y can be anything. So if I'm specifying x, y can be anything. So it's like it's almost like I have another y-axis. This is going to be a solid line, if you guys remember this, because there's a line underneath my inequality. It's equal to -5, so I have a solid line. If I didn't have that line underneath, it would be dotted. So, less than or equal to -5. Well, if it's less than or equal to -5, if I'm talking about x, my number line, I know if I go to the right, I'm getting to larger x values. So that means I need to shade everything to the left, because that is less than -5. It's going to smaller values. So with inequalities, you're going to have shading. Let's go to number 30. I'm going to graph the line first. I know it's going to be a solid line, not dotted, because there's a line underneath here. So I go to my y-intercept first. I go to 1. My slope is -2/5, so I go down 2 over 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put a point there. Again, my line is going to be solid. Now, I'm going to have shading because it's an inequality. It says less than. If it is less than, that means you shade below the line. If it is greater than, that means you shade above the line. Sorry about my voice. I'm getting really sick. Okay. Molto bene.